doing up there? Huh? What are you doing up there, silly? Baguette. What are you doing? You're so silly. Yeah, woohoo! Hi, hi, hi. Oh, yeah, woohoo. Who's the cute kids? Yeah. Huh? You cool cats going home tonight? You think so? Huh? You want to play ball? Would you like to play with the ball? Huh? You want to play with the ball? What do you think? Huh? You? Where's the ball? Where is it? What you do with it? Huh? Huh? You have it? You have it? I don't see it anywhere. Okay. Let's go this way. We'll go this way and find it. Huh? Here's one. You want this? Uh-huh. You want this? Ready? Woo! You don't want it? You got the wrong ball. Who's the cutest kids in the whole wide world? Baguette and Dahlia. Yeah, it's cute, very, very cute, very, very cute.